Okay, yesterday we learned the parts of a circle, right? Who can remind me? What do you call this part? Radius. What do you call this part? Diameter. How do you find circumference? Pi times diameter. Circumference is equal to pi times diameter. And what is circumference? In other words, what does it mean? Like the perimeter, right? Going around the circle, right? Okay, so this is what we learned yesterday. If you need further review on this, like you were absent yesterday, please look at the video from yesterday's lesson because we're moving on. Okay? Today, and it's going to be on your quiz on Friday, and it's going to be on your map, it's going to be on your SBAC, it's going to be on your homework, so you need to learn it. I'm just not going to teach it to you anymore. Okay. Today, we're going to learn about area of a circle. Now, what part of a circle deals with area? The inside. Right? So the area is the inside. Okay? Like if I were to paint this, how much paint? Or if I were to put carpet, okay, around carpet, how much carpet? Or if I were to put grass here or artificial turf, how much do I need to cover this area? Okay? That's what area is. Alright, ready for the formula? It's quite interesting.
Wait, what does that say?
Inside. It's like the inside of a circle. What is circumference? The outside, the perimeter. Alright, here we go. Let's draw a nice, pretty little circle. Okay. What is this part of the circle called? Radius. So the radius is 5 inches. Please stay with me. Okay. Area, here's a new formula. Area is equal to pi. That's something else we learned yesterday. R squared. Pi r squared. So, what is pi? Multiplied by. What's our radius? 5. And we're going to square it. We're going to square it. Do you guys see this little 2 on top?
Yeah.
Okay. That means squared. That means 5 times
5.
Good. This means 5 times 5. Not 5 times 2.
Oh.
Right? We talked about that. So, what's 5 times 5?
25.
Okay, so I got to take 25 and I got to multiply it by 3.14. Can I do that in my head? Absolutely not. I'm going to go over here and show my work. So everybody's doing this. So, what is the area equal to?
78.
Watch. Inches squared. Why is it squared? Because we're talking about area. And when you have area, it needs to be, let me raise this up, squared. Notice that I use the lattice method to multiply. If you want to use the lattice method, if you have a hard time multiplying this way, maybe the lattice way is your way. I put up a YouTube video of how to do it this way. Whatever. For some of you, this is easier than doing it the long way, the old-fashioned way. Okay. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try 20 centimeters. What part of the circle is shown here? The diameter. Do I need the diameter? No. What part of the circle do I need? Radius. So here, the diameter is 20, but I don't need that. I need the radius. What is the radius equal to? 10. Perfect. Good job. Now, I just taught it to you. Area equals pi r squared. From yesterday, what is pi equal to? 3.14 times. What's my radius? 10 squared. What's 10 times 10? Good. Is it important for you to copy all of these notes? Yes. So you have them when you're doing your homework, when you're doing your classwork. You can see step by step what we did. What is the area equal to? 31.40. Ooh. Should be 314.00 centimeters squared. So where did we mess up here? Did we not multiply by all the zeros? You know when you multiply by 100, you just move the decimal 2 times. Any questions? No? Yes? How is this one harder? You have to figure out the radius, right? So you have to go like, wait, I gotta find the radius. Is it hard to find the radius? No, you just have to tell your brain like, wait, no, don't get tricked. Don't use the 20. Okay? Draw a circle with a radius of 7 inches. Draw a circle that has a radius of 7 inches. Okay, so did you draw a radius? Did you draw that? Yeah, good. Okay, go one step ahead of me, one step ahead of me. Seven squared? 7 times 7? 49. Here's another day where it's heavy on the multiplication, guys. You can't avoid it. $153.86, is that what you said? Okay. And I said centimeters, right? Centimeters squared. Okay? Guys, if you're multiplying and you don't have 2 lines of numbers here, you're multiplying incorrectly. If you have 2 numbers here, there should be 2 lines here. What if there was 3 numbers down here? How many lines of numbers should be here? 3, right? So if you have 2 numbers here, there's 2 lines here. That's how we know that you're not multiplying correctly, because if you have 2 numbers here, there's 2 lines here. If not, I don't know what you're doing. Kind of know, but I don't. All right. Are we okay? Okay.